Morning friends, let's talk about daily commodity commentary and its technical level. Yesterday, gold and silver increased sharply. Gold increased by 0.44% and closed at 50,910 levels. In international market is trading around $19-18 per ounce. Silver also increased by 1.66% and closed at 63,124. In international market is trading around 25.01. Both commodity increased sharply on the back of the speculation between White House and Congress will reach a deal on for a new coronavirus stimulus package before a US election. This will boost the market sentiment, and due to this we have noticed that dollar index corrected sharply, and we have noticed that gold and silver increased yesterday. For intraday perspective, gold has a strong support at 50,450, resistance at 51,550. Silver strong support at 62,000, resistance 63,900. The trend of gold silver is positive, so we recommend buy in gold and silver for intraday perspective. Now let's talk about the base metal. Base metal also increased sharply. Copper increased by 0.25% and closed at 531.80. Zinc increased sharply by 2.04% and closed at 190 closed at 200.45. Nickel also increased sharply by 2.49% and closed at 1174.50. The trend of base metal are positive on the back of positive outcome on stimulus package deal. So this will impact and boost base metal demand for industrial activity. So we expect a positive trend will continue in base metal. For intraday perspective, copper has a strong support at 525, resistance at 537. Zinc strong support at 197, resistance at 204. Lead strong support at 147, resistance at 154. Aluminium support at 148, resistance at 155. Nickel also trend positive, support at 1160, resistance at 1190. So we expect a positive trend may continue in base metal for intraday perspective. So we recommend buy in all base metals. Now move on towards energy segment. Yesterday, crude oil prices increased by 0.89%. In international market is trading around 41.54%, and natural gas also increased by 6.51%. The trend of energy segment are also positive on the back of positive outcome, expectation of positive outcome from the deal. So this will help to increase the demand of crude oil. So for intraday perspective, crude oil has a strong support at support at 2940, resistance at 3140. The trend of crude oil is positive, and for natural gas has a strong support at 206, resistance at 222. The trend of energy segment are positive, so we recommend buy in crude oil and natural gas for intraday perspective. Now let's talk about the currency segment. Yesterday we have noticed that USD INR depreciated by 0.22% and closed at 73.47%. However, USD INR has a strong support at 73.10, resistance at 73.70. Depreciation in correction in US dollar will support USD INR, and we expect sharp appreciation in USD INR in coming days. So we advise to go for short in USD INR towards 73.10 or for appreciation. So we hope that you will be benefited from this commentary. Thank you.